For Valentine's Day, beef short ribs. We're gonna braise it for 3.5 hours so I get nice 10 ounces beef. I get onion, carrots, butter, corn, fresh thyme, fresh rosemary, carrots, garlic, onion, nice celery, onions, tomato paste, beef paste, chicken paste, and then I'm gonna do Worcestershire sauce. So nice piece of meat, right? I sear them up first. I sear them up black pepper. And then I'm gonna put in that all here, cover with the mixed liquid I'm gonna do, and then they're gonna go in the oven for 3.5 hours. They're gonna be very, very soft. Here you go guys, this is my liquid mix. And you guys feel free if you wanna add wine. This one without wine. I'm gonna do the wine with the sauce. Here you go guys, I'm gonna finish all the meat, add my liquid to it, cover it up with the rest of the meat, and cook it for 3.5 hours slow cook and ready to go.